Hey there, welcome back to A.M.K Media. Today, we've got a topic that's bound to pique your interest. We're going to talk about how you can make money online as a sales representative. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got tips, strategies, and insights to help you boost your earnings in the digital age. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our valuable content. Now, let's get started with our first key point. Point 1. Choose the right niche. The first step to making money online as a sales rep is choosing the right niche. Identify industries or products that genuinely interest you and align with your skills. The more passionate and knowledgeable you are, the easier it will be to sell. Point 2. Build your online presence. Next, you need to establish a strong online presence. Start by creating a professional LinkedIn profile. Showcase your expertise, connect with potential clients, and join relevant groups. Point 3. Master digital marketing. Digital marketing is your secret weapon. Learn how to use social media, email marketing, and content creation to reach a wider audience. Effective online marketing can significantly boost your sales. Point 4. Leverage e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify can be your best friends. They provide access to a massive customer base and the infrastructure to sell your products efficiently. Point 5. Embrace remote sales tools. Remote sales tools like CRM software, video conferencing, and online demo platforms are essential for online sales success. They help you manage leads, communicate effectively, and close deals from anywhere. Point 6. Develop your sales skills. Never stop honing your sales skills. Read books, attend webinars, and seek mentorship from experienced salespeople. The art of persuasion and relationship building is key to online sales. Point 7. Offer exceptional customer service. Outstanding customer service sets you apart. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues, and exceed customer expectations. Happy customers often lead to repeat business and referrals. Point 8. Monitor and adapt. Lastly, always monitor your performance and adapt to changing market conditions. Keep an eye on sales metrics, customer feedback, and industry trends to stay ahead of the game. So there you have it, folks. Making money online as a sales rep is entirely possible with the right strategies and determination. Remember, choose the right niche, build your online presence, master digital marketing, leverage e-commerce platforms, embrace remote sales tools, develop your sales skills, offer exceptional customer service, and adapt to change. The digital world is your oyster. Thanks for tuning into A.M.K Media. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy selling!